Hello mga mommies! Welcome to my vlogs! Vlogs, whatever. I am Mommy Emmy, ang inyong bagong financial advisor pagdating sa vlog. This time, let's try kung magkano na yung ma-approve ni Tala sa akin. Then, click the borrow again. So, how can we tell? So, what would you like to use your cash for? So, for me, I assume that this is for my business purposes, right? Then, and what kind of business expense is this? Mag-is din kasi Tala no? Daming tanong. Then, click Save and Continue. So, yon. Next is, do you have an outstanding debts? Of course, as I said kanina, that huwag na natin sabihin na meron para di tayo diba? Then, how much money in total did you earn in the last 30 days? So, it's up to you kung magkano kinikita ninyo so sa loob ng 30 days. So, how frequently do you earn money? So, kung may mga other income ka, so i-include mo na lang siya. And then, para plus points na page. When will you be paid next? So, put it there kung kailan mo siya mababayaran. So, it can be estimated day. Then, click the submit. Then, how would you describe your Tala so far? So, for me naman, it can help to pay my bills. So, yun yung nila. Save and continue. So, then, as you can see, Tala also wants to know us better. So, nire-review nila ulit yung application natin for legitimacy purposes. So, or i-message ka ni Tala once your application has been approved. Then, as you can see po that your application is pending. So, once your application is approved, so ito naman ang mag-appear sa dashboard mo. And now, let's continue with the view offer. So, ang na-approve is 6,500. So, from the summary, makikita natin ang interest. So, ito yung nakalagay sa service fee na which is 7% for 155 pesos. Actually, adjusted naman siya from the actual disbursement date once earlier from October 29, 2020 di ka nagbabayad. So, basta wag lang tayong lumampas sa repayment date para hindi mag-incur ng additional interest. So, for me, not bad to the other lending company. The next tayo is kung saan natin isend ang perang inutang. Sorry, dinubog pa naman ang utang na word. It was sent to your wallet kasi may wallet na din si Tala PH. So, this time, antay natin, nakalagay dyan, meron siyang estimated 10 minutes bago ma-disburse yung pera natin kay Tala wallet. So, we'll wait for 10 minutes before natin siya i-transfer kay Gcash kung saan nyo mas madali makukuha yung cash. Then, check nyo ulit yung Tala wallet. Then, the cash is already. Then, enter the amount to transfer, that was 6,500, and take note po that upon transferring, there is no charges from Gcash. So, zero charges po siya. So, as in charge. Enter the details of the transfer, Gcash, then account number, account name, and account location. Then, continue. So, after doing your application, your information rather, enter a verification code that was sent to your number. Then, they send you a message confirming that your cash has been transferred to your Gcash wallet. Then, let's check my Gcash wallet if nandun na siya. So, before, it was 8,222.78 lang siya. So, now, it becomes 8,722.78 na po siya. So, it means na pumasok na po siya sa ating Gcash wallet. So, ayun lamang po mga kapatid sa panahon ng palagay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.